Did you know that Holland bamboo is also called Bamboo Avenue? Did you know that Holland bamboo is over 200 years old? Did you also know that it is approximately 4 kilometers long? Holland bamboo is located between Middle Quarters and Lacovia in the beautiful breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth. That you should have known. Do you know how Holland bamboo got its name? The name Holland? Actually, it was planted by owners of the Holland Sugar Estate, and that particular estate was owned by John Gladstone. That was way back in the 1700s possibly. Did you know that the species of bamboo that is grown in Holland bamboo is called Bambusa vulgaris, and it originated in Haiti, and it is the largest species planted in Jamaica. That particular bamboo is used for making a number of things. It's used in construction, it's used for making pigsties and other animal enclosures, it's used for providing wattle for homes and kitchens that make that sort of thing. It's also used to make furniture, screens, and quite a number of other things. Well, that was Holland bamboo's history. Let's now take a look at what Holland bamboo is in the present. You know that in Jamaica we have a way of using places to mark other places. That was before GPS became so popular. And so Holland bamboo is one of the famous landmarks that we have in that part of the island that sort of tells us how close or how far we may be from another place that is our destination. For example, if you're coming from Kingston, you know that once you hit Holland bamboo, as soon as you get to the end of Bamboo Avenue, YS Falls is on a right turn right there. Another landmark that you can look out for when you exit Bamboo Avenue is the Middle Quarters sign. And for those of you who know what Middle Quarters is famous for, you can just taste that shrimp already, can't you? Now, if you're coming from the other end of Holland bamboo, that is from the Black River end, when you get to the end of Bamboo Avenue, you find yourself in Lacovia. Now, Lacovia has a very rich history because at one point it was the capital of St. Elizabeth. Coming from that end of Bamboo Avenue as well, you're going to find that you need to take a right turn to get to Jamaica Zoo. That same right turn will also take you back to Treasure Beach. Now suppose it's not a case where you're traveling through Bamboo Avenue and you want to stop somewhere. There are several restaurants, several rest stops. You also have quite a number of fruit vendors. And guess what? If you can brave the traffic coming from both directions, if you can time it properly, you can get a lovely picture in the middle of the road. Another thing that Holland bamboo is known for, believe it or not, speed traps. So guess what? Not because the avenue is so nice and pretty and you just want to press gas. Take it easy. A ticket is not worth it. The next time you find yourself in that part of the island and you're driving through Holland bamboo, remember all of these things. Drive good. what do you really know about the Errol Flynn Marina? Well, for starters, it got its name from Errol Flynn. He was one of Port Antonio's most famous residents. Flynn found Port Antonio in 1942 when he was sailing his yacht. He famously described Port Antonio as, quote, "the most beautiful woman I have ever laid eyes upon," end quote. In 1950, Flynn relocated to Jamaica, and of course, where did he live? Port Antonio. In 2002, the Errol Flynn Marina was built by the Port Authority of Jamaica. It has several amenities which include docks or berths for yachts, as well as accommodation for up to 4 helicopters. Customs and immigration is one of those amenities. I bet you didn't know all of that about those 2 little spaces in Jamaica.